Hi, this is Norm with PDI Technical Support. In this instructional video, we'll be discussing troubleshooting the pillow speaker interface on the PDI health grade television. One common issue or problem with a newly installed TV is lack of pillow speaker control, and usually it's something rather simple. Additional connections are available on the side of the TV for video inputs, but one of the more special connections is the wired pillow speaker. And this particular jack is here. It uses a stereo 1/4 inch plug, and typically we have a jumper cable which will connect from here to a wall plate on the back of the wall. On the back of the TV, you'll notice a pillow speaker slide switch. And this slide switch allows you to set the compatibility of the TV to recognize a certain style of pillow speaker. We have CZ, which stands for Zenith. So if you had a Zenith compatible pillow speaker, you would slide the switch up to the CZ position. CP, which stands for Philips. There's an off position, which disables the pillow speaker, and a CR position for RCA. Right now I've got a test pillow speaker we use here at our factory, but this is a digital pillow speaker. Some of them have, in addition to the main functions, a number pad which allows direct entry of channels for the patient. But this one's a simpler version. It has a basic on-off, channel up-down, activation of closed captioning, and also a feature button that's programmable. Usually what I recommend is that you connect everything up, including the pillow speaker, turn the TV on, and then start operating the pillow speaker and look for some response from the TV. If it's not working, then you need to slide the switch to another position and try it again. A second way to troubleshoot a control issue with a pillow speaker is to simply disconnect the jumper cable at the back of the TV at the wall plate, leaving the cable still connected to the TV itself. Healthcare TVs are in general wired through a 3-wire interface. The common of the signal line connects to the big metal band, which is common. The center metal ring is the control line, and then the very tip carries the TV's sound. So one quick check of the TV itself would be to take a metal object such as a screwdriver, or in this situation I have a pocket knife, and simply short the common and ring together. And if the TV is off, it should turn on. Each successive shorting of the common to ring will cause the TV to channel up. If you're seeing this sort of response, you know that the TV is working. If not, perhaps you have the slide switch in an incorrect position. You've checked the TV out and it appears to be functioning correctly. The next step would be to wring out the wiring in your room. And the easiest way to do that is with a volt-ohm meter. Set it to the resistance range and simply unplug the pillow speaker jumper cable from the TV, remembering to keep it plugged into the wall plate behind the TV, and at the same time you need to make sure that the pillow speaker is connected. So what you need to do is, with your volt-ohm meter, let's measure, just place it across the tip and the common and meter the resistance. And what you're looking for is the resistance of the attached pillow speaker's speaker, which can range anywhere from, say, 200 ohms all the way down to 4 ohms. So you're looking for that sort of resistance. If you see something that is an open circuit or a dead short, that's an indication that you've got some sort of wiring error, and you'll have to trace that out and find out where the fault is. The next circuit to check would be the control or data circuit, and that would be measuring between the common and the center band or the ring. And a correct reading would be an open circuit or very, very high resistance in mega ohms. If you see anything like a short or low, very low resistance in the kilo ohms, that may be an indication that you have a wiring fault and something has to be checked. One of the other common issues is low sound or missing sound to the pillow speaker. And there are basically two styles of pillow speakers. One of the more advanced styles actually has a dedicated volume up, volume down button. And pressing that volume up or volume down button is much akin to pressing the volume up, volume down button on a remote control. Another style is the one in which there is a side-mounted volume control. And the way this pillow speaker works is it takes a certain level of sound and then internally adjusts it up and down. The TV's master volume has to be set to a minimum discrete level so that you have an amount of sound to adjust with the volume control. So in the TV's menuing, you would go to minimum volume and set that for a discrete amount which provides ample sound to the pillow speaker. When the TV's turned on, or if a visitor or someone goes up to the TV and tries to adjust the volume down, it will stop at that minimum level, and that way always guarantee sound that is controllable by the pillow speaker. Thank you for joining me on this instructional video. And please remember, we have other videos on our other products available on our website.